Hi guys, this is Adesh Sharma from Spoken English channel Learn English with Adesh Sharma Sir. Today I am going to tell you some basic English speaking sentences. Let's start. Are you a student? Are you a student? Yes, I'm a student. Yes, I'm a student. Are you a businessman? Are you a businessman? Yes, I'm a businessman. Yes, I'm a businessman. Are you from America? Are you from America? No, I'm from India. No, I am from India. Were you a cricketer? Were you a cricketer? Yes, I was a cricketer. Yes, I was a cricketer. Were you a singer? Were you a singer? Yes, I was a singer. Was your father a teacher? Was your father a teacher? No, he was a doctor. No, he was a doctor. Have you ever been to Bombay? Have you ever been to Bombay? Yes, I have been to Bombay twice. Yes, I have been to Bombay twice. Have you ever been to New York? Have you ever been to New York? No, I have never been to New York. No, I have never been to New York. I am going to tell you some more sentences. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Yes, I can speak English. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? Yes, I can drive a car. Yes, I can drive a car. Where do you belong to? Where do you belong to? I belong to Jalalabad. I belong to Jalalabad. What do you do? What do you do? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. How do you do? How do you do? I'm fine. I'm fine. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 45 years old. I'm 45 years old. Which game do you like most? Which game do you like most? I like cricket most. I like cricket most. For such information, subscribe our channel Learn English with Adesh Sharma Sir. Like and share the videos. That's all for the day. Have a very nice day.